In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track opportunities in Freshsales. Tracking opportunities in Freshsales helps you stay on top of active deals, understand where each one is in the sales process, and make sure no important follow-up gets missed. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're in, go to the Deals section. From here, you can either create a new deal or open an existing one. In this example, we'll open an existing deal called Web Design. Inside the deal, click on Task. This feature is important because tasks help you organize the next action you need to take for an opportunity. Instead of relying on memory, you can document follow-ups directly inside the deal record. In the title field, type "Follow-up with client by phone." Then add a description. The description gives extra context, such as what you plan to discuss or any details you want to remember before reaching out. Next, set the task type to Call Reminder. After that, enter a due date, and also set the time for that due date. Adding a clear date and time is essential because it helps you follow up at the right moment and keeps the opportunity moving forward without delays. Once everything looks good, click Save. After the task is completed, mark it as complete. This is useful for tracking because it creates a clear record of what actions have already been taken on the opportunity. Then set the outcome to Interested and click Save again. Recording the outcome helps you understand the prospect's level of engagement and makes it easier to decide on the next step. Now go to Meeting. In the title field, enter Web Design Introduction. Set a date for the meeting, and in this example, select August 12th. Then set the meeting time from 9:00 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You can also add a video conferencing link and a location, depending on whether the meeting will happen online or in person. For online meetings, choose your preferred conferencing option. Next, type in the meeting description. This is helpful because it outlines the purpose of the meeting and keeps everyone aligned. Then enter the highlight and add meeting notes as well. Notes are especially valuable for opportunity tracking because they capture what was discussed, what the client is interested in, and what follow-up may be needed afterward. When you're finished, click Save. Keeping tasks, outcomes, meetings, and notes updated in Freshsales helps prevent missed sales, improves follow-up, gives visibility into every deal, and keeps your sales process organized in one place. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.